In your warm-up, I would recommend you do two things in particular. The first one being doing a little bit of dynamic stretching. Now, dynamic stretching is just a fancy word for stretching during movement. Now, if you're not too sure about what type of stretches they may entail, what I would do is look at a couple of YouTube videos, ask your friends, ask your personal trainer, ask your podiatrist, your physio, what dynamic stretches can I do based on my body type that will assist me run smarter, smoother, faster. Now, if you can find out the right stretches for you that are dynamic in nature, you will find that your body adapts to running out there, especially in the winter months, a lot better. Now, the second thing that's really important in your warm-up is knowing how to pre-activate your muscles. And so when you're running, we don't want to be tensing any muscles in particular. A few of my patients that have come in want to use their glutes when they're running, so they try to tense their glutes. And I've definitely recommended against that, and what I would recommend is potentially doing some activations for your glutes at home prior to going out on your run. So I think with your warm-up scenario, whether it's your PT, whether it's an allied health professional, someone that really understands running, make sure you cover those two key concepts because they will assist you pull up better after your run. And finally, the cool down. So this is the bit some of us may skip. We've had a long run, we're stuffed, we're tired, I've had enough, I'm going to go home. Take 5 minutes at the end of your run to do these two steps. One, if it's a long run, don't just stop and go home. Keep walking, lower your heart rate, make sure that we're flushing out that lactic acid that's going to build up over that little period of time post-run and also obviously during the run that you've gone on. So walk it off, don't stop, don't sit down, make sure that your body's constantly flushing out all the acid that's building up. And step number 2 is something that we've spoken about in our second of our concepts, being a light stretch. And a light stretch of 7 to 10 seconds, a couple of sets on each of your muscle groups, doesn't need to be long, is all your muscle needs to just relax as you're about to pop back in the car and go home. So once again, the 5 key concepts, now that we've covered them all, are 1, find the right running shoe. 2, know about your stretching. Don't stretch too long directly after your run. Number 3, my 3 golden tips to how to run more efficiently so that you pull up better. Number 4, how to prepare your warm-up. And number 5, how to make sure you cool down appropriately so that once again, you pull up better after your run.